Hi there, this is Teresa from Teresa's Crochet Shop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet some pointy shaped ears. You can see some pointy ears on my brand new plush cat pattern that will be out in a few weeks. I also used pointy ears on my worsted weight Kaylee the Kitten pattern. And I'm going to show you a few other ways that I use these pointy ears on some animals at the end of this video. To create ears that are pointy at the top and not rounded, I start with 4 stitches in that first round and then increase slowly to create a cone shape. So I'm going to start by chaining 2 and then doing 4 single crochet in the first chain that I made. If you prefer the magic circle method, just do 4 stitches into your magic circle. So I have chain 2 and then I'm going to work 4 single crochet stitches into that first chain. Okay, I now have 4 stitches around, and for round 2 I'm going to single crochet 1 and then do 2 single crochet stitches together into the next stitch and repeat that 2 times for a total of 6 stitches in the round. So I'm going to start by single crocheting 1 and then doing 2 single crochet stitches together into the next stitch. So 1, 2, and then 1 single crochet stitch and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, I now have 6 stitches around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for round 3, I'm going to single crochet 1 and then do 2 single crochet stitches together in the next stitch, so same as round 2, but I'm going to repeat it 3 times for a total of 9 stitches in the round. Okay, I now have 9 stitches in the round, and I'm going to go ahead and flip this ear right side out. And then I'll go on to round 4, which is single crochet 2, and then do 2 single crochet stitches together in the next stitch and repeat this 3 times for a total of 12 stitches in the round. So I've single crocheted 1 in each of the first 2 stitches, and then I'm going to single crochet 2 into the next stitch. Okay, I now have 12 stitches around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to tuck this beginning tail inside the ear, and you could stop here if you just want a small pointy ear. For my kitten pattern, I go on and I do 1 more round to increase to 15 stitches. I'm going to single crochet 3 and then do 2 single crochet stitches together in the next stitch and repeat this a total of 3 times to make 15 stitches in the round. I now have 15 stitches around, and I'm going to stop here because that shows you how to get this pointy shape. And you could add a couple rounds if you would like a longer ear, or you could leave off that 5th round to get a shorter pointy ear. So as I showed you before, I used the same style of pointy ears on my plush cat pattern. I did 4 stitches and then 6, 9, and 12. I used the same exact ear pattern for my bat, 4, 6, 9, and 12. And then for the Kaylee the kitten, because the yarn is thinner, I did more rounds. So I did 4, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then another round of 15. And then I wanted to show you, if you continue to add rounds after that initial pointy shape, you could get longer pointy ears like I used on my llama here. So now it's time to get creative and add some pointy ears to your next amigurumi project. Thank you so much for watching.